They can't comment. The Middle East cannot comment. Sorry. I love you, Saudi Arabia. I love you guys. I love you. The one in English, I tell you a long time. You comment, no English. All page, no English. My friend, no understand. Me no understand. Nobody understand. I tell you English, you don't care. You say you frog, you monkey, you spider. You say all these things and, you know, you do what you want. Try to do what I want to. Huh? You write bad things. You call 1 million people from Saudi Arabia here. About 1 million and more. I realize I'm the head of Facebook now. In fact, I'm the CEO and the maker of it or something. But just come and join up like I'm on Facebook. I could have a whole network for myself, might as well. I have a network for myself. I was telling you that long time, so I want to get a network for myself. Help me set it up. Can be better. Put a like membership fee, what $2, $3 membership fee. Everybody come in and come and see whatever. That makes sense, don't it? Yeah. Goodie. Goodie. Good evening, England. I'm not bad manners. Good evening. I love you. Yeah, in England, if you want to donate to Monkey Salad, please let me know. I love you. For all of it. I'll send you the CD when you donate. I'll ship it to you to London. I've shipped CD to London before in Toronto and all those places. Not knowing the music was going to roll. This one is good. This one is legit. Did I wash my hand? Yeah, I did. Because I put medicine on Berry back of Berry neck. Because she had an itch and I don't know what's wrong with her. So I tell her to get medicine and put it back of her neck. So if anything, and her furring and her furry to get it. Because I don't want her to itch. I don't want to put anything on my bed when she go on my bed. So I'll make sure. God, them sweet though. Let me see them in Jamaica. When I eat them like how I eat it, like we are sweet and now. I eat it and then. Alright? And then I eat them. Forget the sweet part and the middle. But I'm not do that no more. Well, you know, so the human being them say nowadays. They want me to eat to turn them on. No eat to turn on nobody. You know, you eat and lick the lips and, you know, turn them on. And that they want, you know. Anything come out of smoke, a child and by dead. You know, turn on business or so. You cry because I'm in a hungry cry. Fuck. I'm going to go stush. I won't know you, man. I don't know what you come from. Never see nobody eat food before no could go and so. Huh? I'm not going like a big disgrace and a problem for like a bickle. I like a bickle. A bickle of food and a shit me and them have food. Good food. Hey. And people are serious, brother. You never know what make me popular. Because I eat like this. And I don't do it all the time. When I go outside, I take my time and eat and clean out properly. And one day, I home, I decide to show the world what I do with my outside and with my inside. And it just went viral overnight. It was 600,000 one day. So everybody knows that some eat already. So when I go hide now for a compound, it after it make me and beg people know me. All over the world, for all these followers how me eat. Me I go stop now to play some dry crutches, old girl. Listen, man, don't get me out of the evening, I know. You're born, you get up here, eat, what problem? No, you must eat like you look, man. Me now look at soul, because some man are broke too. I can't feed me for 2 weeks. I'm sorry. Oh man, but it's true. Can't feed me for 2 weeks with it. Eh? Why big day for eat my food? You want to make hand? You want to eat food? And I shit me and I'm not wrong. Me a human and I eat, me I eat. See problem, tall. You see problem with it? You see problem? Me not see it. Pint it all show me. You know the problem I have right on the belt. If you come off and pull this thing right up as a car right now, the belt needs space. Oh boy, belt mash up, belt bend up, man. Belt bend up. If you get out belly, I'll bend up the belt, skin up, and so skin up. Like Gilbert comes to air. Aye. It's better. It's much more comfortable than the way it was. Don't cry for me. Cry for Jesus. I'm deaf young girl look like crackhead. And she wants to talk about she's sick and she have ears and she have crack and she have cocaine and she mad and she dirty. And then so you feed up on your fresh make your mark down. Got me? Stress you out to that kind of shit. Keep your attention off the food. Huh? Keep your attention off the food, buddy. This food tastes like heaven, boy. Pretty nice. A restaurant wants money I pay for this. I'm going $25, $30 for a plate for you, and more. Believe that, honey. Believe that, girl. I tell you. One of my girlfriends, she just opened her YouTube channel too. She just tell me name, I tell you, she's cool. Oh my goodness. She's doing a trance, and I see her from beginning to start a trance until the finish. Yeah. If I tell you, I'm not good for you, what? It's good for me today. It's just like I'm just buy it fresh. Hot pepper. When I wear my belly full, you know. The other day when I wrap up on the day, my belly full, you know. You know? When I wrap up on my belly full, you know. Thank God to my goodies. God bless you. Know. Toronto, big up yourself. Trinidad and Tobago. Big up yourself, man. Yeah. St. Vincent, St. Croix, St. Kitts. Grenada. Guyana. Big up on the shock himself, man. New Jersey. Big up yourself. Salt Lake City, big up yourself. Chicago, big up yourself. Dallas, Texas, big up yourself. Florida, big up your damn self. Miami, Florida, not in person, big up on yourself. Connecticut, big up yourself. And all those places, Italy, big up yourself, Italy. France, big up yourself, France. France, big up yourself, France. Africa, big up yourself. Nigeria, Liberia, and all those places. Abuja, big up on yourself. Someone cleans my palate a while ago. I almost run into the palate, but I escape. Mercy of God, have mercy on me. I could feel a sharp bone going on my throat. Lord, I make a stick tune anyway. The bone go down my mistake. I feel that travel down my vein. I travel down. Travel right down. You know? Ah! You always come back your name, my son. Oh, Lord. Just fall off. It's very cooked. You know? I know you want to hold up, buddy. Fresh just fall right off the bone. So you want your fresh right off your bone, you know? Yo. Poor fish. Poor fishy. Well, I don't know what you did in your lifetime where you had such sad ending, you know? I don't know what you did in your lifetime, buddy. You got such sad ending, you end up in my gut. It's like, you know, I'm a shark or a whale, and I'm out of water, and I'm still eating you. I'm not even the sea, you know. You're not even the sea, but I got you, buddy. You end up in my plate, boy. Sorry about your life while I eat your skin, because that's how people are. You tell them that you love you, and they're sorry while they're eating your life. And you know, but I cook you and I eat you alive. You're dead now. Dead long time, buddy. I don't even know how long you've been dead when I bought you. If I take your eyes out, I feel like you can see me spiritually. I don't want you to see me take my eyes out. I feel like you can't see me now because there's no eyes there. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah, baby. I used to eat the brain, but I don't like this kind of brain. I don't like this kind of brain at all. I like the other brain. Oh, yeah. Amen. God be the glory. Excuse me. Why? Jesus. I know. God is good. Oh, yes. Oh, baby, good. Oh, baby. If you eat nothing, though, if you starve, man, no wicked enough. How much more than I bear? Woman, I like me. My papa dead sad. I run away from the mafia as I left the strip joint. A kidnapped, they tried to kill me so many times, but God saved me. You know? I'm here now. I can still eat. God provides something, yeah? So, Sega, if you're hungry, just go cook something. Please don't blame me. How many man, so, Lord? But in my soul, Lord. Amen. Don't cry for me, bitch. You're watching me, don't you? The precious time you're using? Your precious time, don't you? Really? So you don't like me, you hate me, but you're in a precious time, don't you? Boy, I really got you. It's like food on you, boy. Oh, yes, sir. Don't tell nobody, I don't know nobody. As much as I want somebody, I never tell anybody I'm looking at anybody. That was wonderful. It's a blessing in disguise, boy. Remember when I say I can't name girl, never food and a good food and everything. I put like a honey in the water. You can see it's all like a honey. And make it steam like a bit of water. It's sweet of all. The honey make it sweet right through. It's not too sweet, not kind of sweeter, but it's more sweeter. That's when I eat a God come. Juice inside and really sweet. Well, I have some more left, but I feel later. I eat one more piece alone. Because what time now? It's 7 o'clock now. By 10 o'clock, I'm hungry. We left up at 10 o'clock. I not much good, eh? Let me see. Not much. Is it? I ran some of the good living, so I didn't know you live in America, so I was in Jamaica still. And I'm sure I was Vinci look out with a boardroom and sitting. I always set up with a shelf and you know. It's like, yeah, I didn't know you was on the way I eat. It's like I didn't know you was in America, I thought you was still in Jamaica, man. Huh? I want to make you know about people, you know. It's one thing I can't know about people, not dog. If you about them people, you have nothing, man. You have nothing at all. You have nothing dread. Madam, no one can't cuss me and come into the nasty, not, you know. I saw the review, guy. I love you and all the again. I love all of you. Yeah, I do love you. Okay? There's an earthquake going off in my chest. Very uncomfortable now because I can't eat up on bottom part of my teeth. Very uncomfortable with that, trust me. If I'm eating it raw, like barking it raw, like, you know. Mm-hmm. Belly full now, though. I'm not telling a lie. God is great. God is so wonderful. So wonderful. So wonderful. My God is so wonderful. So wonderful. What? My Lord is so wonderful. Wonderful. Doesn't he get it? Wonderful. My God is wonderful. Wonderful to me. I know why they mess up my stuff. And I really like this one. Because I like it, but I don't want to waste the potato, so I'm going to have to take these 2 pieces of potato and eat and put it back in the pot, because I'm not going to take shame and throw it in the garbage. Nah, it ain't happening, dog. That's for later, too. Hello. Shit. These guys we got me, you know, but just put my thing on the garbage like some people do. I don't want to suck out chicken bone and pretty girl cock up with them afraid. Eh? I want man gonna take it back out of garbage. Not me. No, stop. Put it right away. See if I'm so them throw one off the throw out. That's. Don't brush my teeth, I'm teeth. Pitch up on my teeth. Pitch up on my damn teeth, man. My damn teeth, man. Satan is a slide old fox. If I catch him, I'll put him in the box. That box and throw with the key. Yes, goody. I'm glad I am converted. What the hell? Oh, right here. Right here. Son of a bitch, yo. Son of a bitch, yo. The lipstick gone. Eat off all the lipstick or so. It's gone, man. Oh, well. Hello. Huh? Piece of floss. I don't know me for brush. Okay. Glory, glory, glory. Hallelujah. But mine now come with hallelujah. 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 I got this now coming. I want it too long.